Hey mate, I'm Alex.
And I'm Gaston.
Welcome to Power Mate.
This is the place to learn and share about Fabric and Power Platform. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and colleagues.
So, hey Power Mate and Power Platform enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the exciting update coming with the 2024 release Wave 2 for Microsoft Power Platform. So, let's get started, Gaston.
Yeah, of course. So let's first start talking about what is about this kind of release wave and all the stuff. The 2024 release wave 2 covers new features for all Power Platform from October 2024 through March 2025. This includes enhancement across Power BI, Power Apps, Power Pages, Power Automate, Microsoft Copilot Studio, AI Builder, and Microsoft Dataverse.
Yeah, that's right, Gaston. And some key dates that you need to know is the release plan. It's available July 16, so it's already available. Then the early access availability is July 29, and then release plan in 11 additional language would be available around August 2nd, and then the general availability for all these new features is October 1st 2024.
So let's cover a little bit on the Power BI stream. First of all, Alex, today Power BI celebrate 9 years in production. We have a
Nice.
birthday for Power BI. Congrats to the whole Power BI team and
Yeah.
the amazing worldwide community. So regarding the release here, Power BI and data integration have moved to Microsoft Fabric. This transition enhances Copilot experience and broadens connectivity options for real-time data replication for analytics. It's all about empowering organizations to make confident decisions at any scale.
Yeah, of course. And okay, so let's talk about Power Apps and Power Pages. On the Power Apps side of things, Power Apps continues to evolve with infused intelligence, making it easier for users to work with data, get insight, and improve their apps. So AI assist development is enabled to creation on rich and complex application, ensuring low code and AI transformation and scale. So this is some of the announcements for the Power App. On the Power Pages will expedite site building, allowing both low code makers and pro developers to build intelligent sites. So this reimagines on how we interact with employees, customers, and partners.
Let's talk a little bit of Power Automate then and Copilot Studio. On the Power Automate stream, the team is keep adding more natural language and multimodal Gen AI capabilities. So those kind of improvements in process mining and Microsoft 365 integration will help you get started and scale your automation efforts efficiently. On the Copilot Studio stream, is advancing with a bunch of new capabilities like including IVR support with Dynamics customer service and expanding to new regions like the UAE and Germany. Enhancement in software lifecycle management and governance functionalities are also on the way right now.
Yeah, exactly. And last two for my side is AI Builder. AI Builder is investing on the prompt builder for GPT prompt, enhancing intelligent document processing and improving AI governance on some point. So these features will make it easier to create and deploy AI solutions across your Power Platform applications. On the Dataverse side of things, Dataverse is boosting app building productivity with Copilot, ensuring seamless connectivity to external data sources and integrating AI-powered enterprise Copilot in Microsoft 365. So this investment streamline development and leverage AI for smarter solutions.
Let's end up with the governance administration stream. are also getting boosts with new tools and insights that make it easier to admins on the Power Platform stream to manage all the environments. This way focus on governing Copilot adoption and securing low-code assets. So that's pretty much a wrap on the 2024 release Wave 2 for Microsoft Power Platform. We are really excited to see how these new features and improvement will help you transform your business. So we hope you found this overview helpful. Stay tuned for more in-depth insights, tutorials, and exciting news right here on our channel.
As usual, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on this journey.
Together, let's unlock the full potential of Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric.
See ya.